Hello, my name is Bill Dunn. I'm the VCI Classifieds Manager. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate and display the various features of the Pro accounts. Now, one of the most obvious features that most people observe is Pro accounts have an emblem that's attached or displayed in the center of their ads. For example, if you can see it right there in the middle of this ad, you can't see it that well, but it says Pro right there. It looks like it's in blue or maybe a little green, depending on the color of your screen. That one is a Pro account. This ad is owned by a Pro account. This one, and you can see the Pro accounts are marked a little differently from Classic accounts. These ads that do not have the Pro account emblem in the middle, these are Classic accounts. Now here in the top 25, it makes no difference if it's a Classic or a Pro. The top 25 is all displayed similarly regardless of Pro or ad or Classic. Now another feature for the Pro emblem that you can see is when you click on a category. For example, I'm going to click on the recent ads. You can see the Pro much more easier here in this display. The Pro emblem is displayed on every Pro ad. Now at the top here, this is another feature. At the top you see Pro users. That's why all of these have the Pro emblem. When you go down, further down, you'll find the Classic accounts. Here is the start of the Classic accounts, the Classic ads. These ads do not display the Pro emblem. You can see it right here. This one's blank. This one has the Pro emblem in the middle of it. Now I'm going to go to the top. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is where these additional features are entered when you create an ad. So I'm going to go to log in. I'm going to log in with my test account. And I'm going to go to my ads. Here is my test account or my test ad that I placed earlier. This is just a test ad. It looks the same as any other ad if it was a Classic or a Pro. Now one thing that you see different here when you click place new ad, they all look the same whether you're a Classic or Pro, but here you can see in a Pro account they have 200 ads. They can place up to 200 ads. Whereas with a Classic account that would say 8 ads. Now I'm going to scroll further down. Now here's one of the first differences you see when placing an ad. This allows you to enter rich text ads. Rich text means I can easily change the font, the size, the colors, even background colors if I want. And I'm just demonstrating, and I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to change the color to something different, and I can also add hyperlinks. I can easily insert the date and time or the time. I can preview it, and other items that you can see here, like for justification and paragraphs, headers, numbered lists, bullet lists. These are all things that you would normally find in any web or a word processor. And if I don't want to enter an ad in rich text, I can just switch to plain text mode and delete everything there, and I can just type in my ad as I would want it in plain text mode. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is here in the images section. Classic users only have 3 images. One is the primary image, image 2, and image 3. With the Pro accounts, you can display up to 9 images. You can see 9 images here. All of these are displayed up to or in your ads. So the next thing I'm going to show you is the Pro directory. Now the Pro directory here, these numbers off to the side, for example the 5, this says there are 5 Pro users that have ads in the antiques category. The dishwasher category, there are 2 pro users in this category. It does not refer to the number of ads. This does not mean there are 2 ads in the dishwasher category. It means there are 2 pro users that have ads. They may have 10 ads, they may have 50 ads, but there are 2 pro users in the dishwasher category. Now you can see here, right now it says there are 0 pro users in the aircraft category. Now let me show you one more thing. I'm going to go to my ads. Okay, now this is my pro account, this is a pro ad. This ad is in the aircraft category. You can see right there. Now it does not show me as being a pro user in the aircraft category. That's because I have it disabled. To enable it, I have to go to my account. There's a checkbox here. It says Pro Directory Listing. That refers to this drop down, the Pro Directory Listings right there. So if I check that, click Save, I go home, and then I go back to Pro Directory, it shows there is now 1 pro user with an ad in the aircraft category. That would be me and my ad. So if I click aircraft category, you can see here it now has my account. It shows that I have 1 ad in the aircraft category, and I can click this and view the ads. I can change the category if I want. I can go to Antiques, and you can see here there are several pro users in the Antiques category, and I can look at others if I need to. Now the last thing I'm going to show you refers to the data feeds at the bottom. The data feeds is a service only provided to pro users. It allows pro users to automate the addition of ads in bulk. Now what this means is if you have a large number of ads, you can automate the service. This is a service I provide. I have to manually set this up. There is a setup fee for it, a $200 setup fee, which covers the creation of the feed and any changes I may have to make in the future. So it's just a one-time fee. Most of the people who are currently using this service, the data feed, who are pro users, are the automobile dealers. That's one of the reasons why you see so many dealers' vehicles in the automobile sections, because their vehicles are being automatically added to the classifieds. It's automated. They don't have to do this manually. And that's all the features I have to show you regarding pro users. If you have any questions, always feel free to email me at admin@vci-classifieds.com or call me at 270-442-0060.